Hello, welcome to watch our videos on R programming for beginners. In this video, we will show how to handle data values in R. So we can use the function as.Date to work with data values. And there are several symbols that is very important to set the format in data value. For example, $%d for the number, %a means the workday but abbreviated, and the %capitalized A means unabbreviated workday, and so on. So Sys.Date will show today's date, and the date will return the current date and the time. For example, we can set today's date to the today variable object. We can also use the format to format with the different symbols. We can also do some arithmetic operations between two date objects, and can show the different time between these two in the different units. So we will show all these functions in RStudio now. So first we create a test.Date object. So we just input using C with true form, and R by default will accept the year hyphen, then which means the month, then the day, this form. So we just set toString with this form and set int as.Date function. Next we show this object to get the toDate object to data value. Then we will work with the data frame, set the working directory, and read CSV file into R to create a data frame. So grade is a data frame with several columns for the students' information and math, physics, chemistry. And the last column is date. So by default, this date is just a character. So we use str function to show grade data frames information, 20 observations with 10 variables, and the last column variable date is character with this information. This 10, then slash, then 3108. So we can set the date variable as the data type using this form, so month, day, year, which conforms with this value in the date column. Then we show again this column. Now it's date form, default date form, year, month, day. If we show again str.date grade, then we show the date column has been transformed as a date format. So we can use Sys.Date function to show today's date, and date function show today's current date, time. So we assign Sys.Date to an object called today. Then can format today with another form. So August 30, 23 now. The different form with only weekdays for today. You can do some arithmetic operations with data value. So we create a two date object, data1 and data2. Then the dates object is the difference between these two. Then how many days? About 194 days between these two date objects. You can also use the difftime between two date objects, then set the option for the units. Now we set the weeks. So there are about 27 weeks between these two dates. And this time we set the minutes, about 279,000 minutes between these two dates. If you are interested in, you can also download the source files for this playlist from this link. So you can check the video descriptions to find the section number, then find the different section numbers of source R files. Thanks for watching.